In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the whiteboard in Zoom Workspace. So to start, let's say I open my Zoom Workspace from here. I've installed it as an application on my system and I've just opened it. So you can see whiteboard. You can come to whiteboard. You have the option to draw and annotate, or you can organize your thoughts or your ideas, or you can plan a project from here. And then you can work collaboratively with others as well. So let's say we're going to go with draw and annotate. So we can click, you can decide to not show this again, and let's start draw. Now you have the pen option enabled right here, which is a default. You can start writing anything about drawing anything, okay, that you may have. All right, so this is actually how to draw something. Now you can decide to change the color of the pen, use an eraser. If you want to erase some section, you can decide to do that as well. All right. And then you can decide to use any of the coloration in here. You can decide to change the color and use something like this. And then you can decide to use dark blue also, something like that, just to have a more personalized image. Okay, you can pan with this as usual. You can select an object with this if you have any selection that you need to make. Then you can add shapes also. You can click to add any shape of your choice. Can minimize this and make it very much smaller, and maybe possibly you can click and add it and move it somewhere. All right, so you can move it somewhere, or if you like, you can create something like a flowchart. Okay, so you can click and then you can connect also between two. Maybe you have a decision here, like you can just connect and then from here to another one and back to this. Okay, so you can virtually do anything. You have shapes in here to play with. You have arrows. You can click to see all the shapes that you can work with. You can see different types of shapes, and then you can play around with the colorations as well. Now back here you have the line. You have different lines. Okay, different lines, and you can play around with the thickness of the line also from here, and the type of or the style of the line. You can play around with it in here as well. So you can click and have a dotted line or thereabout, and you can play around with the thickness, the tie. You can increase the thickness from thereabout. You can change the coloration to something like this. Right now over here you have text, so you can add your text, right, and you can format it accordingly using all of these formatting tools. You can bold, can play around with the sizing, can change the font style if you're interested. You can change the coloration of the text, and you can change the text alignment as well as the list if you want to use the bulleted point, or you add a link, or you can lock it against editing or add comments if you're working on a team. So you can click and you can move it anywhere. And then down here you have the sticky note. You can click to add sticky note as usual. All right, so you can click, you can increase the size, or you can add another sticky note of another size. All right, you can click and you can connect them, go create a flowchart with sticky note or thereabout. Very easy. And you can click on here to have all of these basic editing tools that you can bring. For example, you can bring in these charts depending on the type of charts that you want to bring in. Play around with the axis values over here. Okay, these are series 1, series 2. You can change any of this and you can have access. You see the results in here. Once you are done, you can enable anything in here. You can also add to the canvas. You can minimize this and you can bring it somewhere here. And once you're done, you can also as well present this to your team, or you can actually share this and add a team email, or you can make a copy and then you can directly copy this link and you can share. Okay, anybody with this access, you can vary the control, can view, can comment, and can edit. You can give all of this control to the person with the link. Okay, so you can go ahead, explore this and see how you can use it to your own advantage. If you want to export, you can export in PDF from these 3 lines. You can export in PNG, comma separated, and save to your drive if you have it connected to these accounts. Okay, so many things to try, so please go ahead, try and explore the whiteboard feature within Zoom Workspace. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.